Have you come across these images on Discord and wondered that when you open them in your browser, they turn into a completely different image? Well, in this video, I'll be uncovering the mystery behind these images and also explain how these work. I'll also be showing how you can make one yourself, so make sure to watch till the end. So how do these images work? It's not like they're different images when you open them in the browser. So how? It's their links. What we see itself on Discord is the thumbnail that media.discord app creates. However, when we open these images up in our browser, the URL changes from media.discord app to cdn.discord app. CDN is what we see when we open these images in the browser. But how could the same image be different on these two links? Well, it's not about the links, it's how they perceive the image. These images right here have a special format called APNG. It's different from normal PNGs and JPEGs, however. Think of it as a GIF and a PNG at the same time. One might know GIFs are made up of segments of frames, which loop after one another to form a moving image. APNGs work on a similar resolve. They are composed of frames as well. However, when we send these images to a Discord channel, what we see is just the first frame. What media.discord app does is basically show the first frame of the APNG and not the other frames of the image. On the other hand, when we open these images in the browser, CDN ignores the first frame and shows us the rest of the frames. That's just it. Before moving on, I'd like to thank Salad for sponsoring this video. Do you want Discord Nitro, but don't want to spend any money on it? Meet Salad. With Salad, you can not only get free Discord Nitro, but several other rewards as well, such as gift cards, in-game items, Steam games, etc. You may be wondering what Salad is. Salad is a crypto miner which allows you to use either your GPU or CPU power to mine cryptocurrency. Salad is also an official Discord partner. To start earning from Salad, all you need to do is hit the start button and wait for it to finish preparing. After it's done, you'll start earning right away. You can check how much you've made from Salad in the Earn tab. If you're wondering if Salad is safe, yes it is. Salad is completely open source and it has very positive reviews on Trustpilot. You can then spend your Salad balance on various rewards as previously mentioned. Salad doesn't require you to have a beefy high-spec'd PC. It can even work on decent or medium-spec'd PCs. If you're interested in Salad, download the application now from the link below in the description. You can use my code XSEN to get a 2x earning bonus. That's it. Moving on to the video. If you didn't understand what I just said, here's how to make one yourself. I'm using this program called APNG Assembler. This is a software which enables us to make an APNG image by providing frames. There will be a link to download APNG Assembler in the description down below. For this procedure, we need two images. One, which you want to be displayed on Discord, and two, which you want to be displayed when the image is opened in browser. For example, I'll be using these two images right here. Important things to keep in mind. All the frames should be of the same resolution. Both of my frames are at 500x500 resolution. Next, drag and drop the both frames onto APNG Assembler. Once you've done that, click on Playback Settings and check the second option. This allows the browser to ignore the first frame which is shown on Discord. After that, click OK. Now you can set a destination path down below and save the animated PNG there. If you send this image to Discord, it should work just as I explained. In summary, these images are made of two frames. We see the first frame on Discord and the second frame on browser. Well, that's it for the video. If you think that this Easter egg or trick is amazing, then make sure to comment your thoughts below. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my videos reach out and keeps the channel alive. Also make sure to download Salad from the link below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.